In this video I'm showing how to fix an issue on a Genie screwdriver garage door opener where it won't open and it just makes this humming sound when you hit the button. In our case this was a pretty cheap, quick, and easy problem to fix, so I'll just jump right into it. To begin, we have to remove this housing. There are 4 screws that hold it in place. I just backed those out and then the housing came right off. Probably should have disconnected the power first. Do that before you touch anything. With our first quick look at the internals here, my attention was drawn to this capacitor. It doesn't take a whole lot of troubleshooting to know that doesn't look right. From what I've seen online, this is a pretty common cause of this issue, and the capacitors will often fail in a way that's visibly evident, just like this. I made note of how it was wired up. The orange leads were connected to one set of terminals, and the yellow leads connected to the other. I disconnected everything and removed the failed capacitor. I searched for this part number on Amazon and there were a lot of replacements to choose from. I'll leave a link down below for the one that we used. It was branded as Fairbanks Electric and it only cost about 20 bucks. I put the new capacitor in and reconnected everything the same way I found it. Orange wires to one set of terminals, yellow wires to the other. And I tightened the screw down so it wouldn't go anywhere with the vibration. I reconnected the power and I had my neighbor hit the opening button. I'll let her reaction say the rest.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay.
It works!
You did it! You did it! You did it! Stop it in the middle.
You're good.
Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If you also have a Genie half horsepower screwdriver garage door opener that is humming instead of opening, hit like if this helped you out. Thanks for watching.